Hello, dear friends. 1,000 years ago, like this night, Imam Hussain alayhi salam gathered his companions. It was the night of the war, and everyone was asking, what has Hussain got to do with us? Imam Hussain alayhi salam made a short speech and then said, I have taken back my allegiance from you. You can use the darkness of the night and leave the camp. They darkened the tent, and some of the companions left. Now you may ask, why did he do this? Why did he allow his small army to get even smaller? The answer is simple. Imam wanted to purify them so he could differentiate his true companions and friends. He knew his true friends and knew that there are some people among them who had this worldly ambition within their hearts. If these people with weak faith attended the battle, they might disgrace themselves or run away or even join the enemy front. The story of Karbala and Ashura became epic and imminent because of Imam Hussain alayhi salam's loyal companion. So dear friends, let's take a lesson from Abu Abdullah Hussain alayhi salam and choose our true friends carefully. May Allah bless you and goodbye.